Hello and welcome to the video. This week has gone all over the place. I've filmed clips, I've done bits, everything was going okay. I had some car problems last week, so I've got to go through some of that. I also had glasses issues, so you will through this video see me change my glasses a few times. I've also got burnt by one of these. So I've got a bit to say about that, but I'm going to do a whole video on it. So that's coming. I got burned. It's not good. It's not good. Where do I start? What is definitely happening in this video is the thumbnail that you've seen. That's one of my students on an evening class. We will get to that in a bit, but there's a few clips before that I've got to show you, and there's a few clips after that I've got to show you, and there's also something for next time. This is for the next video, and so is this. These are for the next video, so if you watch till later I'll unbox these as well. I mean, I didn't finish one job properly this week to put a video about that. This is as messy as it gets. Stick with me, I'll voice through it, some of it, even if I'm talking this, and so if the mouth's not going with the same, it's because everything went wrong. Everything. You know those things when people say things happen in threes? 3 things have happened in the last 7 days, and it's been a hard week. Let me show you. Good morning, welcome to the video. What is Jamie wearing? Welcome to this video. This week has gone all out of control. I've got no idea I'm going to get on with this video. I don't even think. Everything has gone wrong, everything, and including when I've got my head in an engine compartment. I'm there and I pull my glasses off, and as I'm taking my glasses off, the arm breaks on the side of my glasses fall inside the engine compartment. Here's me halfway through trying to take an alternator off my car, and I've lost my glasses. This week has been one of those weeks. So welcome to the video. Let me show you some of the other stuff. I've got with me today some bits and pieces in this box, and I'm going to show you what's in the box. And I'm being very careful. I'll show you why. I hopefully survived. I've got some bread in there for later. This is my Arcos, which was competition to iPods all those years ago, but this one had a screen. It was better than iPods, much better. So I bought that one. I still use that. It's 20 years old. I still use it. It's a hard drive. It's great. In here I've got bacon because I'm going to do some lunch. That's one of my things for lighting the fire. I've got a banana. Right, in here I've some of my fire tea, but this fire tea is different because this fire tea is made with the water from freshly cooked broccoli. Fresh broccoli, cooked up, use the broccoli water with some ginger. I've done a video on it, it's brilliant. In here, hopefully, what's that? Oh, sausage, and my sausage fell on the floor. I'm going to cook something up here today, hopefully, and yes, it survived. Precious cargo. Precious cargo. And in here I've got some dates. I'm trying to eat sort of healthy, but I'm trying to eat sort of ingredients rather than... Yeah, and then some of this is cardboard for... which I show you, don't I, sometimes? Cardboard for fire starters, which I push those out and start my fire with those. So those are great, and I needed an empty box, and I'll show you what the empty box is for later, because that gets good. This is brilliant. This is what one of my guys is working on, and he's doing a wonderful job of it. And the reason I want to show you is because people don't believe how good they are. Give me a sec. Can you see this? Right, this is a frame saw, sometimes called bow saw. This is an Edward Preston one, but I want to show you this. So one of the guys was going to make one of these, and then he went online and bought 5 for about 50 quid. And these parts I've got here, these parts here, look just like this one the other day. But what he's done is he's cleaned them. So I think I'm going to clean this up in the next video. And we're going to have a nice frame saw to work from. Clean all the bits and pieces, clean all the parts, put a new blade on it, and then that's ready to go. So that's coming up in the next video. Have you heard the expression cooking on gas? Well, I'm not. I'm cooking with a pizza oven. Have a look at this. So this pizza oven, which I've had for ages now, it's ever so useful. It's brilliant because you've got two plates, hot top one and a hot bottom one. And it cooks great. It really does cook brilliant. And I'm hoping to cook some bacon. I'm hoping to cook that egg. All in there and make me a nice bacon sandwich. And while that's in there, the heat through the top keeps all this lot warm. I know you probably think I'm mad, but I actually quite like, there's something really nice about making the workshop a bit of a space where I do a bit of cooking and I enjoy what I've got around me. I enjoy this and just sit down, and it's still being creative, isn't it? Right, bacon sandwich on its way. I could do some brown sauce. And before I go too far, please like, share, subscribe. I need subscribers, I really do. This is my 5-year project and I'm coming to my 5th year in January. And I did promise myself that in 6 years I will be at a certain place, and I've got 5 years through and I'm still nowhere near. So if you can subscribe, that'd be great, much appreciated. And comment and share, and if you know somebody. Right, let's get on with it. The problem with this sort of thing is when you cook it and you're doing it, you forget to film it. So anyhow, bacon, sausage, egg sandwich was brilliant. Now I'm going to get on with some of this. Have a look. Got to continue this carving, get this carving done in the next day or so. So that'll be finished. That's another job off the list, the big list which is there. And back to some sort of freedom, back to some sort of doing the jobs that I'm choosing to do. So not much more to do for people, and then it'll be the way it'll be is I'll be working on the things I want to work on for the channel and for me, to get things done for the house and the shed and the workshop, and I'll only take on commissions that I feel are really worth it for me and to share with you guys as well. So if they don't tick those two boxes, I don't really want to know. So that's what's going to happen. Right, I got some carving done. Then it was the evening class. One of the guys is carving an owl in the top of this piece of timber, and it's looking great. Oh, looks like he's lying down, asleep. Is it a he or a she?
It's a he.
It's a he, of course it is.
Named him Andrew.
Oh yeah, it's called Andrew.
Andrew the owl. That's good. Cool,
yeah. Yeah, he's looking good. So you're doing all this side, and you've done that so that that line's not as noticeable.
Yeah, it just tapers up.
It does, yes, okay, yes. When you come down here and look that way, and then you can see it going round. He's lovely, isn't he?
I'm pleased with it.
Oh, very cool. Doesn't he look good? His name's Andrew. Sorry, Andrew. Well, did Andrew name him?
No, Andrew said to me, "What are you going to call him?" And I went, "Andrew, after you."
Andrew the owl.
Andrew the owl.
He's quite nice. He's quite nice. I tell you what I liked last week, what you were doing, when you were doing these bits up here and you're doing some direction with those. This is all going to get burnt. So all these little tiny flighty bits will come off. So it's going to get scorched because Dave knows what he's doing with the blowtorch. Let's just put it that way. He's very cute. He's very cute. And I like the bigger ones around the back. All this big texture stuff. Nice piece of beech. Wasn't a particularly brilliant piece of beech. It's got a few flaws with it. It's got a few things going on. And there you go. So it's not the happiest piece of beech. It's been outside. But it looks cool there. Going to soften the eyes still. The eyes do need softening. It's that texture around the side that looks great. Look at that. Yeah, and the curling round. Very good, very good. This is also very good. Look, Dave's got this lovely tool roll, chisel roll with a great big cramp in the middle of it, which is almost some sort of coat or something from the 50s or 60s. If you've seen that fabric before, let us know, because it's a crazy old fabric. Looks great. But yeah, that looks nice up there. Oh, it almost looks a bit sinister down here from down here. Wow. Yeah, that looks cool. I got burned. It's not good. It's not good. Where do I start? You know what? If I press record, it'd be good, wouldn't it? Fuck. Oh, sorry. No, I've said fuck. Dave's doing this, and I've just swore.
Jamie's blooper rolls.
Yeah, which I used to do. Dave's got this lovely tool roll, and back to some sort of freedom.